Are you encountering the error message your iPhone is currently unable to access cellular data? This issue can be quite frustrating. It may stem from various factors, including network settings, software glitches, or SIM card problems. Don't worry, this guide will provide you with effective solutions to help you regain access to cellular data. Let's get started. Solution 1: Turn on and off airplane mode. Open settings on your iPhone. Look for airplane mode at the top, turn on and turn it back off, and see if this helps you to get your cellular bar or not. Solution 2: Eject and reinsert SIM card. Sometimes a simple SIM card reset can help. Use a SIM ejector tool or a paper clip to remove the SIM card tray. Take out the SIM card and wait for a few seconds. Reinsert the SIM card and ensure the tray is securely closed. Now restart your iPhone. Solution 3: Check for carrier settings update. Updating your carrier settings can improve connectivity. Open settings on your iPhone, scroll down, tap on General, tap on About. If an update is available, you will see a prompt. Follow the instructions to update. Solution 4: Reset network settings. Resetting your network settings can fix misconfigurations. Open settings on your iPhone, scroll down, tap on General, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then select Reset. Choose Reset Network Settings and confirm your choice. Note, this will erase all saved Wi-Fi passwords. Solution 5: Update iOS. Keeping your iPhone updated can fix bugs. Open settings on your iPhone, scroll down, tap on General, tap on Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the "your phone is currently unable to access cellular data" error. If this guide helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and stay tuned for the next video.